Okay guys, welcome to the channel. This time we're gonna be making Wanitwa Mos and Master KG type beat. Okay, we will be making the beat that was playing at the beginning of this tutorial. Okay, like I said, or like I did on the last video, I will give you my technique that I use to make Afro vibes. I'm talking about Amapiano, Kizomba, Afro beats, Afro Niger. All that African vibes. I use the same technique that I will give you again in this video. Okay? So the first thing, we will choose the BPM. Always 112 or 110 for Amapiano. Okay? This time, again, we will use 112. So the first thing you need to know while making beats, after choosing the style of the beat, for example, Amapiano, maybe Kizomba, you must try to define a rhythm for the beat, a vibe for the same beat you are trying to do or you're trying to make. Okay, for this beat I've chosen a rhythm. I will play just the rhythm of the beat. I've played using just a hi-hat. Okay, let's listen to the hi-hat, then I will explain. Again, listen carefully to the rhythm of the hi-hat or a snare. I don't know what is a snare. Okay, just listen to the rhythm of this instrument. Okay, once you get the rhythm of the beat, you're ready to go. Okay, I will teach you here how to make beats easily, the easiest way. Okay, just stay with me and follow all my steps. Okay, let's listen again to the rhythm. Okay, so once we get the rhythm, so the next thing to do is just choose or feel this, how can I say that, just feel this rhythm using different instruments. Okay, once you get the rhythm, you must add instruments right here where you have this thing, how can I call it? Okay, I think you understand. Okay, for example, let's go to the key, to the first instrument I'll use. Okay, let's go to the kick. You see, the kick is right here. The kick, it will play in this one and this one and this one. You feel each 4 steps. Okay, let's play. Okay, the kick is also going with the, okay, let me move this one. Okay, the kick will be going with this snare or hi-hat. Okay, okay, so the next instrument must follow the same rhythm but playing in different spaces, so that can create this bounce. Okay, let me skip this hi-hat because the hi-hat is out of the rhythm. Okay, let me take this up. This is a bongo. Let me show where's the bongo. Okay, you see the bongo is playing here and here. It's still following the same rhythm, playing different parts. Okay, as you can see. it still plays the same rhythm. Nothing is out of this pattern. Okay, we must follow this pattern. So let's see with this one. I will turn off the hi-hat now. Okay, let me take this up. Let me play this again. No, not again. Okay, this is another one. I see it's playing right here. Sometimes off time, just to make a little variation. But you must keep in your mind that you must follow this one. Sometimes you can break the rules, but you must keep that pattern going in your mind. Okay. Okay. Let's put this one and hear how it sounds. Okay, let me add another instrument, this bongo, another bongo, following the same instrument, the same rhythm, the same pattern, okay? As you can see, it's right here. So you can see this line and this line, okay? Nothing is out. Let's see how it sounds. I think I can delete now this. No, I'll delete later. Okay, the next instrument now is this perc. Okay, let me see, where is it playing? It's just a little transition or something like drum fills. We can skip that. Let's go to the next one. It's the snare. Snare. Let's see, where is the snare playing? Okay, snare. Where's the snare? Okay, as you can see, the snare is playing here and here. As you can see, it just keeps some notes, but still playing the same pattern. Okay, skipping some notes and then adding some different notes, but it's the same rhythm, almost the same rhythm. Okay, let's see how it sounds. Okay, let me add another instrument. Okay, let me see, where is it playing? Okay, also following the same rhythm, the same pattern. Okay, it's here. Nothing is out. You can see. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, and I play, let me see, this head. Okay, the head is not playing the same rhythm, but it's just adding something. You can put some little flavors, but obeying the same rhythm. Okay, as long nothing is out of tune or out of the rhythm. Okay, so then I add this shakers loop. Okay, let's see here. I think I can delete this one now. I'll not use it again. Okay, so let's see how the beat sound, all drums together. Okay, then I add this synth bass. Let's go to synth bass. Okay, where's the synth bass? Okay, it's here. Okay, let's go to another instrument. This time we're gonna be playing It's okay. It's a pad. Just play these chords. It's a D and B and D again, back to D, then I played F. Okay, it's D major or D, and B it's B minor, and D again, then B minor, then F major, of course. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, the next instrument, of course, I've copied the same pattern, the same chords, then I put in different instrument. Okay, let's see the instrument. This is a solo right, it's a piano, it's a organ, solo right. Okay, I'm using this preset. So let's see how the instrument sound. I will solo this time so that we can hear how it sound. Okay, the next instrument, of course, I've copied the same rhythm again, I think so. This time is this shiny. What is this? Okay, another organ. Let's see how this organ sounds. Okay, let's see how all sound together. Then we go to the log drum. Okay. Okay, let's go now to the log drum. The log drum is also playing the same rhythm. Let's listen to it. Okay, it's the same rhythm. Okay, let's see how it sounds. Let me put this last one. Let's see which instrument is this one. Okay, this is just a pad. The throat preset. Soft lead, then you go to throat. Okay, I think I can delete this last one. Okay, so now let's see how the beat sound all together. Okay guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.